This is a review on solving multi-step equations. By following the steps that you see here, combining like terms and isolating the variables, you can solve multi-step equations. So when I look at this first problem 1, I'm going to combine my like terms. 5x take away 2x. So 5x take away 2x is 3x. Since there's only one number on the left-hand side of the equals, I just copy it down, plus 6, and set it equal to 12. Now I have a two-step equation. So I'm just going to undo the two-step equation. First subtract 6 from both sides. Now I have 3x on the left, 6 on the right. Since the operation between 3 and x is a multiply, I'm going to divide both sides by 3. X is equal to 2. To check to see if I'm right, I'm going to copy the original problem, 5x plus 6 minus 2x, and see if I get 12. So 5 times my answer of 2 plus 6 minus 2 times my x value of 2 is 10 plus 6 take away 4. 16 take away 4 is 12. So my answer is correct. I won't be checking every problem for this video just to keep the length reasonable, but that's how you check your work. So we'll just write check answer. So I'm going to take the second problem. I'll take all of these down a little bit lower. And we'll do problem 2 next. So step 1 is to isolate the variable. But in this case, we have a little bit of distributive property work to do. So what I was doing here, just trying to remind the students, last year we learned area model, and that's the same thing as distributive property. So 3 times 2x is 6x, and 3 times 4 is 12. So this is the exact same thing as 18 is equal to 6x plus 12. In other words, when you see 18 is equal to 3 times 2x plus 4, this gets multiplied in to give you the 6x, and then you multiply it in to get the 12. We don't have any like terms to combine, so we just solve this two-step equation. So I'm going to subtract the 12 from both sides because I'm trying to isolate the variable x. These cancel, and I get 6 equals 6x. Now I'm going to undo the multiplication with division. And I figure out here that 1 is equal to x. That's my final answer. So let's do a few more problems. Problem 3. Step 1, combine like terms. So I have this y term and that y term. 14 take away 6y is 8y. I have positive 8 take away 5, that's plus 3, equals 27. So I've combined like terms. Now I'm going to solve the two-step equation by isolating the variable y. Subtract 3 from both sides. 8y equals 24. since 8 is being multiplied by y, I'm going to undo the multiplication with division. Y equals 3. And my last and a little bit more difficult problem for today has distributive property and combining like terms and solving. So in order to combine like terms, I have to do the distributive property either multiplying in or using the area model. So 4 times 2x is 8x. 4 times 5 is 20. So this is 8x plus 20. And then I have to bring down the 5x and the equals 26. Now I'm going to combine like terms. 8 take away 5x, 8x take away 5x is 3x, plus 20 is equal to 26. Now I have a two-step equation. I'll subtract 20 from both sides. 3x equals 6. Divide by 3. X equals 2. So that had quite a few steps. That would be a good one to check my work, just to make sure I didn't make a careless mistake. We'll soon see. So I had to go back to the beginning of the problem and copy this problem here for 2 times x, but my x was 2, so I'm checking x equals 2, plus 5 minus 5 times x, which is 2, and see if I get 26. Order of operations, 2 times 2 is 4, plus 5, and that's 10. This is 4 times 9 minus 10. 4 times 9 is 36 minus 10. 36 minus 10 is 26. It's the same, so it checks. So those are just some sample problems to help you with solving multi-step equations.